Hi everyone, this is Dr. Afzalur Rahman. I'm the CEO and founder of Global Conference Alliance. I'm actually standing on the roof of Global Conference Alliance. So you can see the beautiful view of our mountains. It is part of Greater Vancouver area. I thought it is an opportunity to share the stunning view with our followers. I'd like to announce about our upcoming visit in Ghana from June 9 to June 15. We will be hosting a number of events in Accra and one in Kumasi, and they will include info session, panel discussion, lecture presentation, and doing businesses in Canada, opportunities and challenges, how to attend a conference in Canada, workshop and training program. We have our country representative with us throughout the trip, and their name is Leedons Travels Limited. And the CEO and the founder of Leedons Travels Limited is Mr. Abraham. They are actually assisting us to host these events in Accra and in Kumasi. Also, we do have some local partners like Ghana Agribusiness Chamber, like KNUST University in Kumasi, Regional Maritime University in Accra. And all this information will be posted on our website, on our social media like Facebook, page of Global Conference Alliance, LinkedIn page, and also on the social media of Leedons Travels Limited. So please register for these events. Registration is free, but seats are limited. I like to meet you guys in person, and we like to looking for opportunities for future collaboration. So looking forward to see you in Ghana. Thank you very much. Bye now.